Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture, we will learn about conditional rendering in the React. So here the definition for it. Conditional rendering in React here means displaying different UI elements or components based on the conditions. Just like JavaScript uses if, else, and ternary operator to make decision, React uses this condition to decide what should be rendered on the screen. Okay, for example, like imagine a site here. If user is logged in, show the dashboard. If user is not logged in, show the login buttons. Here, this is perfect use case for the conditional renderings. Now move to the next one and then you see what examples. Using if statement, then ternary operators, then logical end operator, and we will. And also here I will show you the password. I mean example 1, example 2, example 3. So and high password, loading states, and multiple conditionals. Okay, so I think that is the all about this slide. Now let's go to the back and then check all the example one by one. Okay, so you open the VS Code and then check it here inside this RC, here inside the component, and create new folder, new file. That is a conditions. It is here conditions dot. Okay, this is JSX. Here rename it JSX. That is fine, and then inside it here write the component, what functions, and then just a kind of welcome functions. Okay, it is this is welcome. Okay, then inside it here check what const. This is const is logged in is equal to true. Check it here if is logged in, it is equal to, you have to return h1. Okay, we write that is the welcome back user, got it. Otherwise here you have to return h1 please login, got it. And then here export default component welcome. Now import this welcome component inside app.jsx. Okay, so this is the things you have to import. This is here import. This is here import. This is welcome from / component, then / conditions. Okay, and then copy and paste inside app.js files. This is here your app.js files. Okay, I'm just working on this app, you see here. Okay, so inside here you have to render welcome component and you see. Okay, the thing you need to execute this first. So you have to go inside my React app, cd, then my React and app, then npm run dev. It is npm run dev, got it. And then here this is your localhost. Okay, it is running in your browser, I mean VS Code. It is fine also, or you have to just copy paste this link in your browser. Okay, welcome back user. So here what happened, just you see here welcome back user. You see here welcome back user because of this. Why this code here written, because it is true. Suppose here I am going to comment on this, and then now you will see here please login. You see here please login. Okay, but here you see if you remove this comment and you see is logged in here, welcome back user, welcome back user. And why welcome back user? Because this is logged in is true. If it is true, then here you check the condition. If it is true, then we will render this, okay, h1, okay, this element. Otherwise this one, okay, if it is true, then you see welcome back users here, and let's make it false. Okay, this is a condition based rendering. Your y, okay, I mean false, false, and then here, okay, inside it you say please log in. Got it? So this is the here if else condition. This is your first example. Okay, you first copy it and then comment. Okay, this is kind of first example. Okay, then I'm going to the second example. Hey, let me write it. What? Using ternary operator. Okay, here let me paste it that code, and then here it is simple thing how to return. Let me remove all it. Okay, right here example 2, and then inside it here const is logged in is equal to false. Then you have to return, and inside it, okay, here check it. Here you JavaScript expression check is logged in. If it is true, okay, then here inside h1 write what, welcome back this. Otherwise here this is your button and what, login. Got it here. Okay, so you see here this two function component, okay, it's work, okay, same thing, just on basis of a condition true false you have to show this condition or this one, and it is also same thing. Okay, it's just same thing. If it is logged in true, then I will show this content here. If it is logged in true, then I will show this content. Or if this is here is logged in is false, then I will show this one, login button, and then check it here. You see login button. Got it? But what if it is true? Then you will see it welcome back. Let me make it true. This is true, and then you will see welcome back. Got it? It is just condition based, showing the different UI to the users on the basis of true false. This is here. If it is true, then now it is true. Okay, so if it is true, we will show this content. Otherwise means if it is false, then I will show this buttons. Okay, so this is a ternary operators here. This question mark and then this one colon. This is ternary operators. So comment this. Now I am going to another things. That is another example using logical and operators. Here it is example 3, using logical and here this one. Correct. And then let me copy paste this code, and then we will modify. Okay, here remove this, and then here write code const has notification, it is equal to true. Okay, and then you have to return inside it t component. Okay, inside it h1, here write transport. Got it? And then check the conditions here. Has notification. If it is true, then we will show the p. Okay, you have a new notifications. You have a new notification. Got it? Here, if it is true, this is has notification. It is true. And if it is true, then you will see this text, and then check it here. You see you have a new notification. But what happened here? If it is false, this is the false, then in that case this is false. Then you see I mean here creative, you see just dashboard text. So here If has notification become false, then message will not appear here. This is here. Okay. So this is about your third examples here. Okay. Using logical end, then using ternary operator, then if else. Okay. If operator. Now you have to comment, and then now here I am going to show one more example. So that is a hide and show password. This is the example for hide and show password. So paste it and then remove that component. Here make sure that import use state here. Import, this is the use state from the React, and then we will use here. So let me remove all that. Okay. So inside it, const so password, and then set so password is equal to use state, and then inside it here write false. Okay, so here you have to cut, and then inside it just you have to paste it, and then inside here write the logics. What input, this is input, and then it is self-closing. Okay, then type it is equal to so password. Okay, here use ternary operators. If it is text, okay, then it is password. Okay, you know about this one. In the above example, here this is same logic. If it is true, you have to show the text, otherwise button. So same thing here. If so password is true, then it is text, or it is a type password, then it's below here button inside it. So here if so password it is equal to true, here again use ternary operators, hide, and then so, and then inside it on click. Okay, so this is here set so password, then text. This is the password here. Okay, not this one. It is just toggling. So this is the show password. Okay, so this is so password hide and so, and now let me check it here. Your here component, this is here. So here you have to write if anything like this is okay RE, and you see it is not visible by default, and click, you see your password visible. So hide right. So what happened here, it is very simple to understand. This is here, you see by default it is hide, your password it is hide, because type it is password by default, because this is false. So if it is false, then it is password. So I mean here type it is a password. Okay, but when user click on this buttons, this is hide and show button, then we will toggle its value true to false, false to true, true to false. Even it is very simple to understand. Copy it, and then here json.stringify functions, and then you see your values here inside it. This is by default false. Okay, so password value, but when you click, then its value changes to true. Okay, first you have to add something. Okay, it is true. Okay, you say false means it is not visible, but when you click, then this so password value has been changed, and then you see here your password visible, and click, you see it is true. So password value true, and that's why it is visible here. Got it? So this is the logic of your hide and show password features. And then one more example for you, just loadings. Okay, so the thing, so that is all about your condition. So it is all about your conditional rendering. It allows us React application to create a dynamic user interface by showing or hiding the element based on the state, props or users, roles, loading status, logged in users status, and many other conditions. So it is all about your conditional operator. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.